Fortnite is a game that has taken the world by storm and is one of the most popular games out there. However, since 2020, Apple has removed the game from the App Store during an ongoing legal battle with Epic Games. So Fortnite has been unavailable to play on iOS and iPadOS devices till now. Thanks to a cloud gaming platform, the Battle Royale game has returned and is now available to play on your iPhone or iPad. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do that for free by following a few easy steps. But before we get into that, I would like to introduce you to DJRT, who's been kind enough to sponsor this video. Their Winx Media Trans software is an all-in-one solution for transferring your precious data between your iPhone or iPad and your PC. So say goodbye to the annoying iTunes and start using a software that is indeed user-friendly and allows you to transfer your files with the touch of a button. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get your free copy today. Now, as I mentioned previously, Fortnite is once again available to play on iPhone, but we can't just download it like we used to do from the App Store. Instead, we're going to use the Xbox Cloud Gaming service. If you're not familiar with cloud gaming, this is basically a platform that allows you to play games streamed from a remote server via a web app, so you don't need to download and install the game onto your iOS device. All you need is a web browser and a Wi-Fi connection. To do that, you need to launch the Safari app on your iPhone and head over to this website right here, xbox.com/play. At this point, Fortnite should appear at the top of the page. If you don't see it here, you can just use this search bar right here and easily find it within the game list. What you need to do next is tap on play for free and get ready to play on the next page, and you should now see a pop-up window asking you to add the Xbox Cloud Gaming to your home screen in order to launch the app directly from there. To do that, you need to press on the share icon in Safari and select from this actions menu add to home screen, and finally tap on add. Now, if you go back to your home screen, you will see an Xbox Cloud Gaming icon has been added. So tap on it and select Fortnite as the game you want to play. Or if you see it up here, just tap on play for free. I forgot to mention you do need a Microsoft account in order to log into the platform, but that shouldn't be a problem. It's normally one of those email accounts ending on @live.com or @hotmail.com. Anyway, if you don't have one, you can just create an account for free by pressing this button right here. So sign in with your credentials. It will ask you if you want to stay signed in, so just pick yes or no. And you are now connected to the Xbox Cloud Gaming platform, so tap again on play and the game will launch on your iPhone. Now, at some point they will give you the option to link your Microsoft account with your previously owned Fortnite account. I already did that, so I cannot show you how to do it, but if you played the game in the past and you used your Facebook or Google account or whatever you used to log in, you can link your current account with your old one and that should restore your old data as well. And that's pretty much it. You can now play once again Fortnite on your iPhone or iPad. Bear in mind that since this is a cloud gaming platform, you do need a strong internet connection for the game to perform well. But on the other hand, you don't need to fill up your iPhone's local storage, as you won't be needing to download and install the game on your device. With this being said, it's time to end this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see other similar content, please subscribe to the channel. And like always, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.